Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I show you guys this Valentine's inspired makeup look, and I really like the turnout of this look. I did this pink shimmery brown smoky eye, and I don't know, I'm just loving it right now. I feel like you can wear this look either a daytime day or a nighttime day with your boyfriend or your friends, either or. But yeah, this look pretty much, I feel like you can wear it either daytime or nighttime. I don't know, let me know. What do you guys think? Can you wear this for both daytime and nighttime? I think so. So if you would like to see how I achieved this look right here, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to start off with is this Dr. Brant Pores No More Luminizer Primer. I actually got this from my sister. I've never tried this before. I went like digging in her makeup to see like what she has. I asked for her permission, so don't think I just took it from her. But I saw that she had this primer that I had never tried before, and I'm like, you know what, let me just try it. It smells like nature. I really like the smell. It smells really good. Alright, now I'm gonna apply Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. This is like one of my favorite things. Now for foundation, I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Stick. And I am in the shade Y365. This is like my favorite foundation. It's so full coverage. I love it. Guys, and my face decides to break out right when I go do this video. Incredible. I look a little crazy now because I just have foundation on. But for eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using 3 different palettes. I'm going to be using Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basics palette. This is probably one of my favorite palettes ever. This is literally like my everyday palette. So I will be using that palette today. Then I'm going to be using a Morphe palette. I'm not really sure which Morphe palette is this one, because this one's not mine. This is actually my sister's as well. And I borrowed it because it has like a lot of pink shades in there. So I'm not exactly sure which one is this one, but I will definitely link it down below to let you guys know which Morphe palette is this one. And then I'm going to be using the Jacklyn Hill palette, the one that she collabed with Morphe. And I'm also going to be using some shades in there. So let me go ahead and get started on my eyes. I'm going to zoom you guys in. Now you're going to get all up close and personal. To prime my eyelids, I'm going to use Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Neutral. Just popping this on my lids. Now to set that concealer, I'm going to use Laura Mercier's translucent powder and just set that concealer. The first palette I'm going in with is my Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basics palette. I'm gonna get the shade Commando and use that on my crease. I'm literally dirtying my hand. I'm removing excess eyeshadow that was already on my brush. Crease a little more, so I'm gonna get the same Ultimate Basics palette and I'm gonna get the shade Tempted and also place that on my crease. Now I'm gonna get the Morphe palette and get this pink shade that's in this palette. And then we're going to get that pink shade and put it right on our crease. And you're going to be like, girl, how many colors are you planning to put on your crease? But I promise this is the last color I'm going to put on my crease. Now in that same Morphe palette, I'm going to get this darker pink and just put it on the outer part of my lid and then working my way up to my crease. Guys, this is gonna take a while, but I just really want to build up this darker pink. Used this palette before, but oh my god, it has so much fallout. Look at that. I have so much fallout. I'm now gonna go into my Jacklyn Hill palette and I'm going to use this shimmery shade here, and I think I'm just gonna apply it with my finger and just put this right in the center of my lid. Now getting a really small brush, I'm using this Real Techniques detailer brush. I'm gonna get this shimmery shade and just place it right in the inner corners of my eye, blending those two shimmery shades together. Alright, now I want to add a more darker color to make this more of a smoky eye look. So now I'm going to get in my Jacklyn Hill palette this brown shade and just place this right on the outer part of my lid and bring it up to my crease. Top liner, I'm gonna get Urban Decay's Ultimate Basics palette and I'm gonna use the shade Black Jack and just use this as my top liner and just blend it out and kind of just create a smokier eye look. I'm now gonna get Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Perversion and just put this on my upper waterline. Now I'm going to apply some mascara and I'm using Loreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise, and this one is the waterproof one. Apply some falsies and I'm using Ardell's Natural 120 in black. These are my favorite lashes. I think they look so nice. I'm gonna apply this off camera because I'm not good at applying lashes. I take forever, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, I finally put my lashes on. It took me like 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna get my eyelash curler, and I just want to blend together both my real lashes and my fake lashes together. Alright guys, I'm now gonna move back onto my face, but first I have to remove all this fallout. To conceal and highlight, I'm going to use Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Neutral. Just put this underneath my eyes. In the bridge of my nose. A little bit on my forehead. And then some on my chin. Just like that. Now to set that concealer, I'm going to use Mercier's translucent powder, and I'm just going to bake with this. I'm just going to place it everywhere that I put that concealer. I'm now going to cream contour with my Urban Decay Naked Skin Shapeshifter. And I'm just going to get that dark shade that's in there and cream contour with that. I'm going to use Hourglass Diffused Bronze in Light. Now to sharpen that up, I'm going to get that same Mercier translucent powder and just carve out that contour. Now while I let that sit there, I'm going to do my eyebrows. So I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Waves in the shade Soft Brown. I'm going to use M.A.C Mineralized Blush in Sweet Cinnamon. Now for my bottom lash line, I'm going to use Urban Decay's Naked Ultimate Basics palette, and I'm going to use the shade Commando and Tempted and just place that right under there. Now getting that brown shade in the Jacklyn Hill palette and just placing it on the outer part of my lower lash line. For my bottom lashes, I'm getting the same Loreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. The people who cut the grass decide to cut my grass now while I'm filming. Unbelievable. But anyways, I can't hear myself talk. For highlighter, I can't even hear myself talk, but for highlighter, I'm going to use the Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit palette, and I'm gonna mix the shade Forever Young and Forever Lit. For lipstick, I'm gonna use M.A.C Nude Du Jour lipstick, and then for lip liner I'm gonna use ColourPop Lippy Pencil, and this one is in Lumiere. Alright guys, this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave if you haven't already. Also, all my social media will be linked down below in the description box. My Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. I hope you guys all have a beautiful Valentine's Day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.